This is a short video on how to provide a workaround for the problem with a 2002 F250 with the radio and the windows stop working. So this is the relay number 603 out of the fuse box. It's on the bottom of the fuse box, and what I've done is I've got a little workaround so that so this is the relay, okay? The two hot leads on the relay are this one and this one. They can be activated by closing the set of contacts, which is right there. I don't know whether you can see the contacts, but they're right in there. So as a workaround, what you can do is physically hold the contacts together. And what I used was a little bitty baby piece of credit card, and I just slid it through those contacts. And it does work. However, as far as I can see, it's going to stay on all the time, which would be okay for the windows, but you'll have to turn the radio off whenever you get out of the truck. Otherwise, it'll stay on. So there it is. Thought I'd put this on YouTube. The piece of, as you can see, I made the piece of credit card long enough so it would be just the right length of the total width of the relay, so it wouldn't slide in or out. So there you go. It's a fix. Good luck. Bye. The cover can be removed from the base of the relay by inserting a screwdriver in this slot right here and this slot right here, and gently prying them apart until the cover comes off the base of the relay. It has to be done carefully or you'll break it, but that's how you do it. You just pry in those two little slots.